Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best grout removal tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT Oscillating Tool DWE315K for quick grout removal. The DEWALT DWE315K Oscillating Tool is not only one of the best grout removal tools available on the market, but also one of the best tools for scraping, sanding, cutting, or removing a range of materials. DEWALT DWE315K is one of the most effective tools to remove grout without damaging the tiles. It even comes with a LED lamp that helps brighten your work surface for a perfect and precise operation. With the amazing features present on the DEWALT DWE315K Oscillating Tool, you would readily agree that it is the best electric grout remover. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Grout Grabber GG001 Grout Removal Tool. If you already own a reciprocating saw, you should consider adding the Grout Grabber GG001 to your collection for a quick and accurate grout removal. This 6-inch grout rake features a curved cutting edge, 2-inch blade, for optimum grout removing accuracy. It has coarse carbide grit that helps in the removal of all cement-based and epoxy grout types, from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch. At number 3, we have the Bosch Angle Grinder 1375A for large grout removal. It is the fastest and most efficient way of removing grouts across the length and breadth of a tiled area. You can fit this tool with different kinds of cutting blades for various cutting and scraping applications. Just like the rotary tool, they are compatible with joints that are wider than 1/8 inch. It, however, produces a lot of noise and spews grout dust throughout the workspace, filling the area with excessive clouds of the dust. They should be handled with care while removing the grout, since they can cause damage to the tiles. At number 2, we have the Craft Tool ST147 Grout Saw for removing old grout. The blade is replaceable and leverages on the user's power for its applications. However, it can scratch the tiles if your hand slips. This is one of the preferred tools among professional tillers, as it works perfectly for removing old or damaged grout. By simply using this tool, you will be impressed with its grout removing ability. The tool is handy and durable. You can even use it in the grout cleaning process. And finally, at number 1, we have the QEP 10020 Grout Removal Hand Tool for tight corners. To remove grout, you only have to place your hand tool's tip or blade on the grout joint and apply pressure to cut or scrape out the grout. Hand tools are suitable for detailed work where the protection of the tiles is needed. They are not as fast as the electric grout removal and are mostly used for small grout repairs, but unsuitable for handling a large-scale project. With this tool, you will not only remove grout, but will also be able to reach tight corners and stubborn areas, thereby complementing the work done by your oscillating tool. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.